Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Have an Immigration Canada. This video is regarding Ontario. So the government of Ontario has published a news that they are going to hire around 6,000 plus internationally trained healthcare workers, mostly the nurses, to fill the shortage in the hospitals of the staff, and most of them will be all internationally trained by the end of March of this year. So let's go into the detail. So Ontario has made a room for 6,000 plus healthcare workers to fill the labor shortage by the end of March of this year. So Ontario wants thousands of internationally trained nurses to come work in the provinces by this March, as I already mentioned. So they are sending about like 300 of those nurses to 50 high need hospital in the province. And if you look at the current scenario right now, there are more than 1,200 internationally educated nurses have applied to the College of Nurses in Ontario and already expressed their interest in these initiatives. So if you guys are in the healthcare field and you have a nursing diploma or a degree in your country and you're out of Canada, you can simply apply for the province of Ontario if you want to come to Ontario and want to make that province as your home. So there are opportunities as of now. So government is giving the priority for internationally trained and educated with the experienced nurses, and you guys can be on your way to get your licensing while you are working under the supervision of some experienced staff who are working in that field from long time. So you'll be working like a resident on that one and get supervised by the experienced staff, and then you will be getting an opportunity once you get your license or to work on your own all those fully equipped hospitals. So with that one, the government is also looking for another 6,700 healthcare professionals to work in the long-term care homes and the care facilities in effort to lighten the load on the hospitals. Because of this, the government is going to spend $342 million over the next few years to get the recruitment initiative up and giving more and more support to these hospital and long-term and short-term healthcare facilities. So the multi-million dollar investment is expected to add over 13,000 workers to Ontario's healthcare system, including over 5,000 new and upskilled nurses, as well as 8,000 personal support workers. So if you are in that healthcare industry, healthcare, doing healthcare worker diploma and all those stuff, so you guys can become eligible under this new program. So the thing is that they have a need now, and if you think you are a good match for that, you can simply send your details on the government website for Ontario College of Nurses and Physicians. Over there, they are looking for healthcare workers, licensed practical nurse, registered nurses, physiotherapists, pharmacists, doctors, and in all these like medical related occupations. So that's a golden opportunity for anybody who want to come to Ontario, want to make that province as their home. As I always mention, so keep your eyes and ears open, look for the opportunities and start sending your paperwork. You never know, you will be one of those who want to settle up here, and government will give you the priority based licensing, and your PR will be also on a quickly fast track program that the government is doing for healthcare workers, truck drivers, and other priority occupations that are in demand as of now. So that was a little update from province of Ontario. I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.